say that it feels right. That it feels right.
Alright, welcome back. We have here the SCR Nissan Sentra, baby.
Haggard version.
Haggard? Well, that one's mine there, you know, that's my specialty.
Look at that.
But we got some Junkyard speakers here, man. 200 watts.
$5 a piece.
Yep. The ones inside are 15. Film, bro. No, bro. The one right here and inside, there's two, as you can see. 1, 2. These are 15 watts, right? 15.
Right there and right there.
These are 200 watts. They won't fit because they're a bit bigger, but you know who gives a flying. So let's get this installed, and we're gonna have to do some soldering. But you know that's my specialty because I build.
My specialty is play music
and checking off. All right, let's get started.
Taking this off.
Tripped over my air filter crap. Whoa, what the heck are you doing?
Oh my gosh. Well, don't strip it.
We got a deodorant here holding up our. I got that one out. He's doing that one right now.
Flipping man.
So these are the old ones. There's 20 watt. These are 200 watt right here, baby.
For free.
Yeah. I'm gonna be doing this right here. Just hip tie that onto there. But bam, solder some cables. Hopefully I can run it on the stock everything. See if it'll run good. Alright guys,
doing?
come check this out. So I don't know if you can see that, but I got the cables together now right there. Yep. Now we're gonna hit it with the soldering gun and hit it with the gun and this crap. Just this thing's not warming up and it's not melting my my crap. I don't know what's going on. We might need to change this part. There's more. It's probably old now. Come check this out. So we got it working. We tested it. We have here my so here we have my soldering 1 and 2. Straight up, we had to change out the connection right here. Switch it out right there. My connection, the old one. And I just need to put some electrical tape
over though
on both of them, and then we're good to go. Alright, I got it zip tied onto the old one. That's the old one right here. I took it out from this one. And how it's smaller, I just zip tied it on there so it can go back into the stock place with the stock screws. So let's connect it, put it back in, do the next one, and then we'll be good to go. Small subs, I guess, 200 watt, well basically a 400 watt setup in the back, but using the stock power, so really it's not hitting that much more voltage, but not bad. So these are how they turned out. Zip tied them on, both of them look pretty stock to me. Got the other side, same thing.
Do it alright.
Oh yeah, let's take that off.
Alright.
Look, looks completely stock. Just gotta put the pieces back, and I'm going to show you guys the trunk, how they turned out on the bottom, which we will in a second. Alright, check these out. So we got both of them hooked up. We got these wires, but we might zip tie them up there so they don't get hooked onto nothing. What brand are these? They are HD by Sophie, something like that. Sure do. Let's hop inside.
That's just the back speakers. Let me get them online.
Get up. It's not bad. It's more clear. It's a lot more clear. It's not as like when the bass hits, you don't hear nothing. Like it's so like you know what I mean? It's much more clear. It's good. Sounds good. I like it.
I like it better than